Hey guys, what's up? My name is Erica Andrea. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today, I'm going to be starting a skincare journey with a brand called Rose Bloom, a black-owned skincare brand. I'm going to take you guys through the full unboxing, show you guys the full product line. I'm also going to show you guys my daytime skincare routine and just my first impressions about the products. But if you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you're subscribed because I will be doing a 2-week update and a 1-month update so that you guys can see my progress over time. So without further ado, let's get right into it. As I mentioned before, it is a black-owned skincare brand, black woman-owned skincare brand, excuse me. She started out as a self-taught makeup artist, and through doing that and working on clients, she fell in love with the skin under the makeup. And from there, she decided to start her own skincare brand, and now she's finally launched some products, which is amazing, and I'm super excited to try them out. All of her products are made naturally at home and infused with essential oils. They're also gluten-free, cruelty-free, paraben-free, talc-free, so you don't have to worry about any of that extra stuff in the products. So now that you guys know a little bit about the brand, let's get into the unboxing. So when you first open the box, it came in a white box, and as soon as you open it, you see this beautiful rose gold tissue paper. I really like that, and it matches her brand name and her whole aesthetic, so I really enjoyed that. And it had a little thank you card, which is always super sweet. I love when brands include a little thank you card with just like their little Instagram handle and maybe a handwritten note. I really love that, so it was great that she included that. And once you peel back the tissue paper, you see all of the beautiful products just sitting there on a bed of like pink confetti. And guys, the products look so good. Like, she really put a lot of detail into the packaging. A lot of the times with smaller skincare brands, I've seen brands send me stuff like with blank packaging and just like little cheap looking containers. I think the branding and the packaging is like a part of the whole experience. It definitely gives me luxe vibes, something that you would be able to see like on a drugstore shelf or at Target or at Sephora. Like, it definitely gives me that type of energy with the packaging, so I really liked it. And later on in the video, when I get to the skincare routine and all of the products, I will show you guys specifically certain things that I like about the packaging of each product. The packaging, she did that. Okay, let me know in the comments down below how you guys feel about the packaging. So the first step in my daytime skincare routine is to cleanse, and then I follow up with a toner. I'm going to be using the Herbal Glow toner. This retails for $15. It's made with willow bark extract, which is just an organic form of salicylic acid. This product is going to just help exfoliate the skin lightly and just leave the skin feeling really glowy and smooth. I love using toners that have some type of exfoliating property because I feel like my skin gets really dry sometimes. So yeah, this was like a really simple touch, putting it in a spray bottle. Like, I've literally never seen that, and I don't know why, but yeah, more people need to do this because I really love the spray bottle for the toner. Super easy, there's no mess. You don't have to worry about like your hands being clean or anything, even though you should wash your hands anyway, but you guys know what I mean. I really love that this was in a spray bottle, so fire. After I apply my toner, I follow up with my CC Boost. This vitamin C serum retails for $42. I am a vitamin C girly, okay? I always use vitamin C in my skincare routine. I feel like it just helps with any of my dark marks and stuff like that. As you guys can see, I do have a bit of a dark mark above my eyebrow, so over time, I am hoping that this fades using this product. So yeah, I really love vitamin C. It does have a citrus scent to it. The product is made with hyaluronic acid for hydration, and it also has natural orange oil, which helps give it that citrus scent. It does have a really nice orangey smell to it, but it is not overwhelming. After you apply it, the smell doesn't like linger around for too long. It just smells good where you're applying it, and then it fades away, which is great because I hate when products are super duper scented, but I do like a little bit of scent, so that was really nice. I also love the twist clap closure, okay? We're getting back to the packaging again. I told you that the packaging is fire. These normally come with like a clear plastic top on them, and you pull it off and then you squeeze the product out. But this one has a twist cap closure. So you twist to undo it and the button will press, and then you twist to lock it and then it won't press. So this is great. It's great for traveling as well. I hate when I put stuff in my bag and then I'm afraid that it's going to get smashed and leak everywhere. So I do like the option to keep this closed with the twist cap. And also, whenever I do have stuff that comes with a plastic cap, I end up losing it anyway. So I'm really glad that this has a twist cap closure and it's just less plastic, which is great for the environment. So I really love that. I told y'all she did that with the packaging, okay? If anybody ever asks me how to reduce dark spots, it's vitamin C and sunscreen. You feel me? So I really, really like this product. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my daytime moisturizer. So the daytime moisturizer retails for $20. It's made with fruit extracts and peptides, which just helps with the overall health of the skin and obviously moisturizing it and keeping it nice and glowy. I love the texture of this product. As you guys see, it smooths and glides on the face nice and smooth. It feels very nice to the touch. I really, really loved how it made my skin feel, and you could just feel the hydration going into the skin. So I really like this product. It is not scented. It doesn't really smell like anything. Let me just open it right now to double check. Yeah, I'm really not getting any scent at all from this, which is great because the moisturizer is what you're going to smell the most of. And if this is really scented, you're going to smell it all day, baby. So I really like this, that it's not scented. It's nice and muted. It doesn't have a bad smell or anything like that. So I really like the moisturizer. And as you guys can see, it did leave my skin looking really healthy and glowy and beautiful, period. So after I apply my moisturizer, I'm going to follow up with the Rose Bloom Skin Serum. Now, the serum retails for $35.95 and it has a variety of oils in it, such as avocado oil, aloe, jojoba oil, vitamin E, tea tree oil, coconut oil, rose hip seed oil. It has really a variety of oils and it just leaves the skin feeling super nice and smooth. So I really, really love this product. This is probably my favorite out of everything. It locks in moisture. It controls oil production because it's keeping the skin nice and moisturized, so the skin doesn't feel the need to produce more oil because it's already there, baby. I hope you guys can see just based on the demo how smooth and soft the skin feels after applying this product. And this serum is like the happy medium. It's not too thin, but it's not too thick to where it's super heavy on your face. It's nice and light and it's perfect to wear under makeup. So I just put a little bit of the serum underneath and put my makeup on top, and it's going to give you the perfect dewy skin finish. So that would be the end of my daytime skincare routine, and this is what I'm going to be doing on the daily to keep my skin information, period. But we're not done yet. I do have a couple more products I want to show you guys that I'm going to be including in my nighttime skincare routine. So keep an eye out for my 2-week update, because there I will be showing you guys how I incorporated these products as well. So the next product is the exfoliating face scrub. You guys, I love face scrubs. Remember I was telling you guys about how sometimes my skin can feel sort of dry and scaly because I'm not getting the dead skin off? Well, these type of products are great for that. But what's special about this scrub is that it's made with fruit extract and jojoba beads, so it doesn't have any of those artificial like micro beads that like rub and scratch your face and just like really irritate the skin. When you apply it, it feels a little bit grainy, but it's very, very fine. It kind of reminds me of how toothpaste feels. I don't know if that's a great way to explain it, but I'll obviously have it on the screen so you guys can see. But it just feels really nice and smooth. It's soft and fine enough to where it's not scratching up your face and leaving you red. It still has enough friction to it to where it'll rub off any extra dead skin cells. Exfoliating face scrub retails for $40 and I cannot wait to keep using this. I'm only gonna want to use this 1 to 2 times a week because over exfoliating can just make the skin super sensitive and just irritate it. You don't want to go overboard with exfoliating, because think about it, if you just removed all of the dead skin cells, you don't want to just go back in and start scrubbing it again. Like, give the skin some time to make some more skin, okay? So yeah, that's why I only exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week. So I'm definitely going to be using this and I can't wait to see how it turns out. But yeah, like I said, I'll demo it in my 2-week update so you guys can see what it works like on my face. And lastly, this is the last product in the line that I got sent to me, and I'm definitely going to be incorporating this into my skincare routine. This is the Bye Bye Gel, and this retails for $45. And basically what this product is meant to do, it's supposed to form a protective barrier over the skin and prevent bacteria from growing, and bacteria can cause like acne and breakouts and anything like that. So it really just sits on the surface of the skin and acts like, you know, a little fighter to make sure none of that stuff is going on. And it's also a natural exfoliant, which is great because it's going to work in conjunction with everything else that I've used in this line that is also going to help keep my skin nice and smooth and exfoliated. So I love that about this. But because this product is made with glycolic acid, it can make the skin sensitive to sunlight. So you do want to use this at nighttime, which is why this is going to be a great staple in my nighttime skincare routine. So I can't wait for you guys to see that in my upcoming video. But yeah, I'm super excited to try this. I tested it out on my hand and it felt super smooth. It is a gel. Can't wait to keep trying it over the 2 weeks and see how my skin transforms. I will insert some of my skin before pictures right now so that when I do my update, we can go ahead and compare. But let me know how you guys are feeling about this full product line. I'm so excited. I have been on the lookout for like some really great skincare brands, and of course, because this one is Black owned, we need to hop on the bandwagon. Okay, so make sure you guys follow rose.bloom_ on Instagram and go to their website at www.rosexbloom.com and cop some products, period. I will have everything in the description box below, all of the links, all of the products, all of the price points, and the order that I use it in, all of that good stuff. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below and let me know how my skin is looking, okay? Because I used the products today and it's giving, okay? I don't have any makeup on, baby. This is straight skin, and you all know I never record videos with no makeup, but makeup wear, period. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see next, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my 2-week update. Bye.